Planet Earth is our only home. How can we have a convenient life, at the same time be friendly to our environment? For diesel engines, people use devices to clean and reuse the air from the engine, such as crankcase ventilation, diesel particulate filter, and exhaust gas recirculation. Today we are going to talk about crankcase ventilation. It is at the side of the engine. Crankcase ventilation is to filter and clean the oil mist from the engine crankcase after combustion. The gaskets for crankcase ventilation are crucial. We offer the gasket between the engine block and the crankcase ventilation device. The materials are mostly metal with advanced coating, or rubber. Also, the gasket inside the device, the materials is elastomer. We offer crankcase ventilation gasket with high quality for several engines. If you are interested, please write us an email or check out our website to contact us.